well, I was also able to, this variety, what do you sit in documentary or what you would call interview, where Patrick Schwarzenegger, Arnoldson is really well represented, by the way. Yeah, I mean, he's wearing, it's the first time I'm getting introduced to Patrick Schwarzenegger. Uh, um, I don't recall that Arnold might have mentioned him in any of the YouTube videos that I have been able to see. But our focus was on physical fitness. So anyway, but what is important is that let me tell you the story, which will put the context to it, especially would be this handsome young man that Patrick Schwarzenegger is, really with that the beach scene. I started out with the assumption. I looked at the poster of larger than life poster of Arnold Schwarzenegger when I was sitting in college, and I said, "Oh, good body, bodybuilder." I mean, he was Mr. Universe. So I was like, okay, so and then we had a friend, Wakar Shah, say Wakar Ali Shah, who was he got a goat, and he used to drink goat milk, and whenever you go to meet him in his house, he would always, would be shirtless while we would be observing, uh, he has the opportunity to go to the proper gym and he's building a really good physique. And it was so much, I mean, we would always say, so where is now, has he reached to the level of Arnold Schwarzenegger? I would always ask my brothers when, we moved to Islamabad, I'm talking about Lahore, when my early college, living in a public school, and Sayyid Bukhari Shah was my class fellow as well. So it's just an amazing. So I said, okay, so I had to start the gym. Before that, maybe sometimes I'm picking up pedestal fans or having some dumbbells, not really regular gym routine. Uh, you know, Trying to ride bicycles more often. So I started my gym when I nearly finished my college and I was about to start my university. And there I would spend 4 hours every day, while the motive was not really to develop muscular body, but or muscles, but to then present physical strength and something, a physical appearance which might look like that I'm a well-built person. And then so one of our friends Nasir would have 17-inch biceps. So all the time we will be discussing and daydreaming that, okay, so now I have reached 15 inches, so what would make it 17? So I would be picking up, doing biceps with heavy weights, maybe 80 kg weights, and doing repetitive reps and sessions, and then you, your body pumps up and eating a lot of even fatty foods. And then, yeah, I did, become a well-built person. But my brother, younger brother Ali, uh, must be some similar like Patrick Schwarzenegger. He's smart. He knew he got Arnold's book, and he really read the book and then had a lot of magazines, which these gym routines. He would make a really knowledgeable uh, approach towards going to the gym and physical fitness. And then he, of course, then he must have evaluated that how realistic is the goal to become Arnold Schwarzenegger. While Arnold Schwarzenegger's, I mean, the muscle strength, huge muscles, but with a lot of muscularity. I mean, of course, I mean, he's Mr. Universe, and quite many times. And his I mean, his Conan, and he's known for his physique, and he introduced gym across the globe to all the young people who were watching his Hollywood movies. So my brother, would stay with a routine which would build thin but well-developed muscles, a lean body. And then as I grew up, now I'm 48, and maybe when I was 35, I really realized that, oh, okay. Even in Holland, while doing my PhD, I did realize that, oh, I haven't necessarily built not a lot of muscles, but a little bit of a large physique, which if I eat a cone ice cream, suddenly I would man, I will feel that my muscles are pumped up, or I was yet again representing a little bit of a large body physique, which which might not really look trendy, because this lean muscular physique is represented through standard uh, physical fitness regimes. So great, Patrick Schwarzenegger. I mean, great. Yeah, you are kind of smart like my brother Ali. I mean, nobody can be Arnold Schwarzenegger or build such a uh, muscular, beautiful physique and a perfect physique. But then I am now planning for next few decades with the poster of Arnold Schwarzenegger, how he looks like himself today, and of course Sylvester Stallone as well, or maybe Van Damme. And then I feel that okay, I can be going to the gym even when I am above 60. And whose poster, the larger than life poster I would have? Arnold Schwarzenegger. So great, Patrick Schwarzenegger. You're really talented, but then uh, you have. I mean, it's a smart physique you have developed, which I couldn't really guess while when you were wearing, a coat and a tie. Yeah, great, great. Uh, that's the best. I think. I think because I was wondering, he looks a little bit lean, and but then I saw the clip, the beach clip. Great. Look, you're looking better than Arnold Schwarzenegger, your father, basically. I mean, great. Um, Best of luck for the Fuber.